every corner of this little town reminds me of all the things I let keep me down. I've got a car, can drive away anytime I want, but something always keeps me coming back for more. The clouds are getting darker, I can feel it coming on. Something so deep inside has been waiting for so long, looking at the sky, waiting for it to fall, standing barefoot in the water, let it heal my soul. In that Magnolia Rain, in that Magnolia Rain, I can already feel the change as it's pouring down my face. Oh Lord, it's all washed away in that Magnolia Rain. So bored of all this wasted time, feeling like I'm losing my mind. But I go down 15th Street and I think about you and me. But everything is different now and has been for a while. Oh, the clouds are getting brighter, I can feel it coming on. Yeah, my heart needed this change all day long. And there's something right behind me, it's too heavy for me to hold, where the pain of letting go is worth its weight in gold. In that Magnolia Rain, oh, that Magnolia Rain, I can already feel the change as it's pouring down my face. Oh Lord, it's all washed away, it's all washed away in that Magnolia Rain. In that Magnolia Rain, in that Magnolia Rain, I can already feel the change as it's pouring down